In the most recent video, we discussed the major crash investigation report that has been released by NTI. The main thing we focused on in that video was one of the major causes of incidents, and that was around inattention and distraction. The next three sub-causes below that, human factor issues with driving trucks, is inappropriate speeding, inappropriate following distance, and inappropriate lane positioning or vehicle positioning. We talked about how our smart AI dash cam assisted with reducing distraction and inattention incidents, and today I just want to talk once again about that camera and how we can help reduce incidents around the other three causes. The camera actually reads speed signs and will give the driver instant feedback, audio feedback on what speed they're doing over the speed limit. We find that that changes driver behaviour almost immediately. It also has lane departure, so where we talk about inappropriate vehicle positioning, it's going to give them an alert if they swing across a lane without indicating. And then the third one is the inappropriate following distance, and so we've got a feature in there called headway monitoring, and essentially they're following the vehicle too closely at the speed they're doing, and this is going to alert the driver immediately as well. So having this immediate driver feedback in the cab changes driver behaviour majorly. If you'd like to learn more about this, click on the link below and go to our blog article.